ng kalulhatian sa Ama. So hindi ito para sa ating selfish gain or sa ating maging righteous tayo. Hindi po. You are already made righteous. So you are a salt and light because you have been made righteous. Hindi ka nagiging salt and light for you to be righteous. You are already righteous. That's why you are a citizen of His kingdom. Amen? So, Isaiah 60, verse 1 to 2. Arise, shine, for your light has come, and the glory of the Lord rises upon you. See, darkness covers the earth, and thick darkness is over the people. So that's what's the situation right now sa mundong ito. But the Lord rises upon you, and His glory appears over you. For us to be salt, for us to be light in this world. So, yun nga. So, kung meron mang darkness dito sa mundong ito, meron mang maliit na ilaw, may malaking pag-asa.